Hi all, here I'm going to demonstrate how to convert Autocad elements into Tekla using an API. Here's the line work I have got from the architect. It's a frame for a canopy. I have added a layer called SHS. I'll turn that on now. And I created some line work on that SHS layer. You can see that layer here now. And here is the line work which I created in the SHS layer. Now you must have Tekla working on the same computer, and here is my Tekla window. What I want to do is convert all those Autocad elements into Tekla with one button click. Now I have created a CSV file where I have put the profile name, which is SHS, and the profile itself, and also I have used a color which is color 2. Okay, on the left hand side I have the Tekla window, and on the right hand side I have the Autocad window, and the command to convert these elements into Tekla is convert to Tekla. So type in convert to Tekla and select these elements. Yep, and here it is. Here are the elements. As you can see, this is the Autocad line work, and here is the Tekla line work. Now to compare the Autocad line work and the Tekla line work, I'm going to change the representation of these two reference line, and then you can see they are actually identical. I'll show as exact, and you can see show with exact lines. Show with exact lines has brought up this one. You can see they are identical. However, the rotation of these elements are not probably correct, not on the same plane, so we have to fix that one. You can see that it's not on the same plane. Okay, I switch back to reference line mode. I'm going to set work plane using 3 points. 1, 2, 3. I have switched on show exact, so that's exact. So now what I'm going to do is double click, show properties, position, and then set it to 0 rotation. Show exact, and now you can see the plane is corrected. Thank you for watching.